Hello everybody, this will be a video tutorial on how to find the CME gap and what it really is and how to trade it, especially with Bitcoin. If you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Anyways, just the indicator that I am using to find these is the, let me come down to my scripts here. It's the CME Gap Finder Bitcoin. So if we just go up to our indicators here and search for it, it is this one by 092. 092, if you're watching this, thank you for making it. Anyways, what it does is it highlights the gap that happened on Bitcoin on Sunday. Usually, well, what happens on Sundays is that the futures market is closed for Bitcoin, and so what happens is that this will create a large gap, and price tends to fill this gap. Usually it's kind of similar with like a stock trading gap, but in this case it's Bitcoin. And so when I turn on this indicator, you can see it draws boxes around these gaps. And whenever price kind of pumps down, it will create a green gap. And so usually price will pump up and fill this gap. And so it is usually a something that you can trade, especially on like as the futures market closes, which is about 6 p.m. my time, but it's the end of the Sunday candle. And so usually price will usually go ahead and fill this gap within the next 48 hours. But it always, sometimes it really doesn't, but most of the time it will. And so with this, you can mark out the high and the low, and you can just kind of trade as price is pumping into this gap to fill it. As you can see, most of the time it has filled it, and there are times where it doesn't completely fill it, like right here. We partially filled it. Usually I don't trade the full gap really, but I will trade at least half the gap. Where was I going? Yeah, right here. And so right here we still have a gap open, and you guys can take note of that in doing your TA and create like a whole new analysis based on these CME gaps. And so price will usually go ahead and fill these gaps. And so basically that's all really it is to it. It's just another thing to look at, and it's just another tool that you can use to trade and make more profit off of. If you guys, again, like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And I will leave a link in the description to a free Discord where I post all my trading ideas along with all my trades. Thanks. Bye.